18 Reasons is a nonprofit community cooking school. We have a classroom in San Francisco where we offer hands-on cooking classes and dinners every night of the week.
At Cooking Matters, people come to learn about nutrition, shopping, healthy eating, and cooking together. Some of the challenges folks face in the communities we work with is lack of time, lack of resources, and just the fear of really not understanding how easy it is to make a healthy meal. This is an important program because it really offers low-income families, kids, and adults the opportunity to come together in their community and cook and eat together and really build healthy community within themselves.
The families that you work with, you really teach them that community matters, and bringing people around a table eating a nutritious meal, there's no better feeling. And it's been amazing teaching low-income families how to eat healthy on a budget.
So I work with youth, and a lot of them actually don't have breakfast or lunch. Cooking Matters is the first meal that they eat.
I'm teaching third graders, and I'm noticing that every time we have a class, they start coming in earlier and earlier because they want to help me prep, because they know they're rewarded with the meal they created at the end of it.
And it's just fascinating to see how people's eyes light up when they realize that they can cook for themselves.
I taught an adults class, and at the end of our classes, our 6-week-long classes, we have a wonderful celebration, kind of a mini graduation for all the success that they've accomplished over the last 6 weeks. And the gentleman started crying when I presented him his certificate. He said this is the first time I had ever graduated from anything. And it just brought tears to all of our eyes.
I run into people after giving the classes, like maybe 2-3 months after. To me, that makes my day.